Hello, the topic today is collecting a customer credit application or a customer information application. And so to do that, we want to go to the contacts area and look up your contact record. And that in this case, it may be as simple as clicking on then the credit application. And if you have the information, filling that information out manually before you do the deal. But you may also, let's say the customer is remote from you and you don't have this information yet. Well, you can go to the second tab here called Chat, which is your messaging, texting, and emailing view. And in this particular case, you actually should have a link that says Send Credit App or Send Customer App. And if I click on that little link, this text action, it's going to populate a link in here that we can either text or email to this customer, depending on what information you have up here. But let's say we're going to text it to this mobile number, and I just click message. Now that message has gone out. I've sent a link to the customer, and I actually use my number in this case just so you could hear the text message. Now the customer can fill out this information from their phone or from email, save it, and then that information will be available for you in any deal or service or product sale that you are moving forward with. So it's very powerful, and it's built in and simple. And if you don't see your send text action, just let us know and we will make sure that it has been turned on for you. Thank you so much.